it is with great pleasure I present Adam N. Popovich, the director of Sloboda.
Thank you very much. I don't want to say anything, but I want to just tell you a few things about the song we're going to sing. This is a part of Petar Rukovet by Mokranjac, which you know is our greatest composer. It is a little bit too long to do in its entirety since tonight's program is going to be a little bit long and taxing. But this part starts with Oj za gorom, za zelenom, nešto jasno podvriskuje baško grlo djevojačko. Up in the forest there comes a sound of a shrieking and a plaintive cry sounding like a girl in trouble. Well, our young hero rides up there to see what is the trouble, and he finds the girl all bound up in wire and string, and she's pleading to him, Odreši me, mlado momče, ja ću tebi seja biti. He says, Imam seju I kod kuće. I have a sister at home. She says, let me go and I will become your sister. Then she, pleading farther, she said, Odreši me, mlado momče, ja ću tebi ljubav biti. If you will please free me, I will become your bride. So, hey, he took her up on it. And I think they're still somewhere down here on the coast living.